Hello everyone, Heroes Battleground Warriors. Today we are diving into one of the most sought after quests in the game, the Gojo quest. Whether you are looking to harness the power of the six eyes or just want to flex as the strongest sorcerer, I've got you covered. Alright, let's jump in. First thing first, to start the Gojo quest you will need to reach level 20. If you are not there yet, grind some battles, complete daily tasks or join a few intense from fights. Once you are at level 20, head to the quest section in the main menu and accept the Gojo quest. This quest has a few stages, is testing your skills as a true sorcerer. Here's a quick breakdown. These guys are scattered across the map. Focus on high traffic areas like the cursed forest or abandoned temple for quicker progress. You will need to come out on top in the at least 10 fights. Use ranged attacks and your dodges to keep the advantage. They collect 50 special cost talismans that drop from elite enemies, so target those higher level mobs or jump into some raids. Master the Gojo training challenge. This one's tricky. You will need to complete a timed obstacle course and take down a mini boss, so stay sharp. Once you have smashed all these objectives, head back to the quest tab, claim your rewards and unlock the legendary Gojo. Time to show the what you are strongest sorcerer in Heroes Battleground. Thanks for watching, heroes. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button.